Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable wireless power sharing on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you want to use your Google Pixel as to charge another device, then you can use it by going to settings, then battery share, enable it, and now when you flip your phone like that, you can place another device on the back of your Pixel, so it will charge. I'm gonna show you that, and you can see that it starts charging with my Google Pixel's internal battery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.